Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to open Steam games in windowed mode. To start, open Steam. Then, in the library, right-click on the game to select Properties. After that, in the General section in the Launch Options field, you will enter the command -windowed. Close this window. After this, click on Play, and you can see that your game opens in this window mode. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.